Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tab. In this short tutorial, I show you how to set monthly budget for Google Play Store. This is very simple and easy but useful. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel. Now let's start. First open Play Store and tap profile icon and then tap on payments and subscription. Now tap on budget and history and then now tap on set budget. Here you can set budget in your local currency. I said is 10,000 BT and now tap on set. This is very important. Sometimes if you don't set budget, then your kids or any other spend more from your Google Play Store. I hope this simple tutorial is very useful. If you think this tutorial is useful, then please like and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.